Unlawful assembly and rioting are terms defined under the Indian Penal Code, IPC. Here's an explanation of each. Unlawful assembly. Under Section 141 of the IPC, an unlawful assembly is a group of 5 or more persons with a common object to commit any of the following acts. 1. Use of criminal force to overawe the government or public authority. 2. Resisting the execution of laws or legal processes. 3. Committing any mischief, criminal trespass, or offense. 4. Forcibly dispossessing someone of property or rights. 5. Compelling someone to do something they are not legally bound to do or preventing them from doing something they are entitled to. Thus, if 5 or more people meet with one of these purposes, it constitutes an unlawful assembly even if no violence occurs. When does it become rioting? An unlawful assembly becomes rioting when the group uses force or violence to achieve its common objective. This is defined under Section 146 of the IPC, which states, if force or violence is used by any member of an unlawful assembly in pursuance of their common object, every member of the assembly becomes guilty of rioting, regardless of whether they personally used force or not. Key elements of rioting. 1. There must be an unlawful assembly. 2. The assembly must use force or violence. 3. The act must be committed in pursuance of the assembly's common object. Penalties. 1. Unlawful assembly, punishable under Section 143 IPC with imprisonment up to 6 months or a fine or both. 2. Rioting, punishable under Section 147 IPC with imprisonment up to 2 years, a fine, or both. 3. If weapons or deadly arms are used, it becomes more severe under Section 148 IPC with imprisonment up to 3 years. In summary, an unlawful assembly becomes rioting when its members resort to force or violence to achieve their unlawful objective.